This is our battle outfits for the Ukay thrift shopping.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hi, hello! You're in the vlog. Oh, sige, go.
Get in.
Need to find an ATM machine because when you go thrift shopping, they don't take cards. As you all know, when you're here in the Philippines, always make sure to bring cash with you because not a lot of establishments accept credit cards, debit cards. Right now, we are here in Metropoint. I used to pass by this place every day. Wait.
Who are you?
Hi!
Hi, who are you too?
English 101. Okay, this is Jean, the Ukay queen. Yes, as you can see, the outfit. There's Martin.
We'll take him too.
No, the challenge for you is to speak in English.
Explain everything, but I already practiced.
Wow.
I'm gonna ask what Ukay is. It's from the root word UK.
You, really?
United Kingdom.
Ah, talaga? Uy nga. Thrift shopping, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, similar. I've experienced it.
Alright, so first off, in UK. Yeah, he went he went thrift shopping in UK.
A lot more different.
Can you give the best tips for Ukay in Manila? The best tips.
The best ever.
You can do it, Beshi.
Beshi, bakit lang ganyan? Hindi na ako nakapag-practice.
First tip is bring an eco bag. As you can see, she's ready. And of course, make sure to bring cash with you at all times. A fanny pack and your OOTD like this, fresh, you know, no makeup on.
No
yeah.
There's no makeup.
No makeup. Alright. So,
Hulas na hulas yung mukha.
cash to wear no makeup.
Go team.
Oh, hey.
So, we are currently here in Pasay Rotonda, corner EDSA. That's where we're going. I remember that place.
The other one.
The other one. Ay, ayun pala.
Wagwagan.
Ah. I don't know, years ago, that's thrift shop.
Tip number 4, bring water.
Make sure when you buy something in the thrift shop, check if there are any holes or stains, unremovable stains before you buy it. Hi! You're in the vlog!
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
On to the next Ukay. That's right there.
Next station, down the road.
Oh, aircon.
They got some good stuff here.
We just walked from Metro Point to here. So when you go here, be mindful of your belongings. Make sure not to bring any valuables with you, or your valuables should be in front of you. Woo. You good? It's a very busy day today. Well, every day is busy here. Since it's Monday, it's busier because it's delivery day. And we are going to this mall. So here, there's a lot of stalls that sells different products or even fake products.
Yeah, if you have
a lot
no
of fine
time to go to
products.
Taytay,
Yeah,
just
you go
visit
here
Baclaran.
in Baclaran. So if you're gonna ride an MRT, go down to EDSA Taft Station or EDSA Taft if you're gonna ride LRT. Uy, asan na siya? Besh! So this one is 220 pesos for 10 pieces. This one is 3 bundles for 100. So it's 35 pesos each. Hot. Are you really? Oh, that's what she needs to buy. Oh, what do you have there?
Socks. But you know me, I use ankle socks.
Maybe they have. I think this is ankle socks.
I mean, like almost I'm a ballerina guy. Like,
Oh, maybe you should ask. So you see a lot of this, you have to buy per bundle because it's cheaper that way. A lot of people who shops in Baclaran are most likely to be selling it online, or I don't know if they have shop.
Marve shop, should we start one?
Marve merch? What?
What's that?
Are you gonna buy or what?
I don't know.
Comment below if you guys want us to sell some merch. Yeah, dig. So Martin, what did you just experience?
2 little kids just steal something. I don't know what. I see the security guard running after them. The little kid's like 4 years old, jump on the escalator off the railing, feet on both sides, slides backward. The guard's like, what? I'm like, what? Gets away.
Just a typical day here in Baclaran.
Nice.
Yeah, you like that?
I need 42.
42. Oh, then check or ask.
Or is yellow nice?
only 50 pesos. You got yeah.
Alright.
Can I see? That was really nice.
Okay, I see what you mean. And apparently there's a sign on it, so Oven knows
Yeah.
which one to take.
Yay! How's it going so far?
A lot of new impressions. I love to be exposed to new ways of doing stuff. My first time in a jeepney.
So Martin, how was the experience?
I'm exhausted. I thought it was fun. I really did. What I thought was really impressive is that everything we recorded today was shot on like a 500-meter stretch. So much going on. You can spend, I think, a week there and you still haven't seen it all.
That was your first experience of markets in Asia. Foreigners' reaction to cheap markets in the Philippines. A lot of mosquitoes. You want one?
Yeah.
You want me to put mosquito repellent? Fine.
Good girl. Thank you. Oh, put my eye there.
Well, it was just in the legs.
The fan is blowing it. Thank you.
Okay. What about your arms?
Okay.
Ooh, what do you have here?
So I got 4 violet cocos.
Thank you so much. Ooh. Oh, you should have brought the Ego bag. I forgot. I'm so sorry. We'll just use this as a trash bag. You are the sweetest. You got me a napkin. Thank you.
Welcome.
We did a lot of stuff today. Went to Baclaran, Ukay, went to my parents' place, edited some videos, published some videos. I'm gonna make a separate vlog for the haul because of course we have to sanitize the clothes that we bought from the thrift shop. Try on haul. If you guys want to see that, comment below. If you're not interested, let me know as well. This ends my Ukay vlog. Foreigners' first experience in thrift shopping in Manila, Baclaran, first time riding a jeepney and all that vlog. Comment below which part of this vlog is your favorite and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!
See you guys.